Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me. Today we're doing a Crafty Christmas in July video. This series of videos is a set of 25 collaborators, and we are each doing videos about Christmas in July. If you search the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24, you can find all the videos and tutorials that all the collaborators will be posting. There's also a giveaway. The drawing is on August 1st, and you can enter from July 1st to the 31st by posting a picture of your Christmas project using the hashtag in the Facebook group Sweet Pea Papers or Junk Journal Tutorials and More. Each post is an entry, and you can post in both groups at the same time to double your chances of winning a prize. There's lots of great digital prizes, and it's going to be a fun time. You'll get a lot of inspiration by watching and by looking at all the other posts of everyone else. I'd like to thank our designers who have donated kits for us to use. So generous of them. And I'd like to take a moment to ask you, if you wouldn't mind, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. All these things really help my channel to grow, and it's such a great thing for me. I really appreciate it. I enjoy engaging with all my subscribers. I love reading the comments and replying, and I've gotten to know some of you, and it's fun to make friends. So thank you. I appreciate that. Let's get on to today's craft. Here we go. Hey, thanks for coming back with me. Today I have the pages in the signatures for our Frosty the Snowman Little Golden Book Journal, and I have them all collated. Today I thought we'd work on some ephemera to go in here because I want to make a bunch of pockets, so I'm going to need a lot of ephemera to fill those pockets. So let's put that aside. What do I have out here? I have some Cara Brandon tags. I have some tags out of my mass make box that I made with a recipe book. Made a bunch of tags. I have a whole pile of fussy cut ephemera from Cara's Kits. I have some punches from last year's cardstock that I used that was Christmas themed. And I have some little hole reinforcers I also punched out. Let's see on this side. Hold on, it's tea time. Tea. I have some stamps. I found this one at a thrift store. It was by, it would be helpful if you could see that, My Acrylics, and it's called Serendipity. I really love the little retro snowflakes and such in this. And then I also have, I don't know if I'll be using it, the Tim Holtz snowflakes. Excuse me. For some reason when I start filming, it makes me cough every time. Sorry about that, guys. So, of course, I have glue and ink and various things around. So what do we want to start with? I think I want to start with one of the plainer tags to build it up, and then I can show you how you can do something with a tag that's already started for you. So, with this one, I just took a recipe page and I folded it into 3, glued it together, cut off the corners so it's tag shaped. Very simple, but it's sturdier because it's 3 pieces of paper, so it's a nice weight. So I wanted to start with this. Excuse me again. I have some scrap paper here from my scrap bin. We have some music paper, some other ledger. I think I want some of this music paper on here. And I like the numbers on this. Okay, we've already got some interest going on the base here. Let's see, glue book. I should have had my glue book out. And my glue stick. I also have fabric tack today in case there's something a little more substantial that I need to glue on. So now that we got the basics out of the way, how's everybody doing? I hope you're doing something Christmassy with me. Or if not, just having a good day crafting. We are doing the Christmas in July thing, so if you make something, post it in the groups. Sweet pea papers and junk journal tutorials and more. There will be a giveaway August 1st, so make sure you get your entries in. You don't have to use a kit. You can use whatever you like to make your creation. Okay, so we have a pretty base going. Let me just trim this off so I know where my tag ends. I don't want to be gluing something down that I have to cut off later. I cry about this. No! Okay. Alright, that's a cute base. Something cute to work with. I think I want to put one of my clusters on top that we sewed. Oh, look at that. That's already beautiful with just the fabric cluster on the top. If you'll recall, I made this bundle of goodness in one of the last videos. I think just a nice image, and maybe a label. Santa, let's see. Ooh, maybe 2 labels. I kind of like that. Alright, let's go for it. These are cardstock though, so I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. I don't know that the glue stick is going to hold that, and the glue stick definitely wouldn't hold this fabric on the top, so just going to give some glue. And this is a stitch that my machine does. I just stitched 3 little, or not 3, these little pieces of fabric together. Let's see how many are here. Put that on. 1, 2, 3, 4 little pieces. Alright, and then Santa. Yeah, I'm really having fun with this Christmas in July thing. I've been so inspired. It's awesome. It's kind of like, you know, you never know what's going to hit you for inspiration at any time. I just love it. And I'm doing some of these videos ahead. It's June right now, so it is raining like crazy in Florida right now. So it's a good day to be inside crafting. Just chill out. Oh, that's upside down. Okay. Alright, love it. Tag number 1, done. Okay, so there's a plain tag using some of Cara's creations to zhuzh it. How about something like this? I already love the base colors on this. Amazeballs. So let's find a couple of things that we could put on there to give it even more pizzazz. Don't know about that. That's a little big. Wreath? Nope, nope. Christmas bell. How about some little carolers? The carolers are adorable. They need something behind them. Okay, now that is cute. We've already got a button there. Of course, you know, everything needs a label, right? Okay, I love it a lot. Let's go with it. I'm trying to not overthink, because all of these pieces are gorgeous and they go so well together. Don't really need to overthink it. If you put it down and you like it, go with it. Because I could sit here all day waffling, let me tell you. I could spend an hour making one tag. But I feel like when I'm using printables, it's okay to use something, because if I want another one, I can just print another page and cut it out. So it's kind of why I'm enjoying the printables. I mean, don't get me wrong, I also love actual vintage pieces, but it takes me a little longer to use them because, no, I can't replace that. And it's so pretty. But eventually I have to use things, because I can't have more new things, more pretty things, if I don't use the ones I already have, right? Okay, looks like I got that a little over the edge. Let's cut that. Let's cut this. Oh yeah, that's even cuter than it was before. Alright, so let me put the top on my glue, because I saw I did not print on the back of this tag. So let's do a little stamp on the back. How about that? A little stamp, maybe glue something. Let's try one of these cool retro snowflakes. Oh, that's cute. A little stamp block. I've got, this is Salty Ocean. Let's see what that looks like. As you can tell, I haven't used these stamps before, so. Oh, so cute. Let's do a little one here. Maybe another guy over here. One on the bottom. Oh, isn't that adorable? I love that. You can still write over this. It's a light enough color. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful tag. There's tag number 2. Close our ink up. How about a green one? Oh, this one's printed on the back with snowflakes. I love the snowflakes. Okay, so this one has a more red and green going on. Oh, what about that? That's kind of a cool thing. I got some cardstock scraps over here. Got something like this, a little pocket. Ooh, let's make this a pocket tag. Yeah, let's do that. So then we can have a pocket tag in a pocket. Cute. Put that in the pocket. That's nice. And then what do we have for a decoration? Big old tree. Not loving it. Not loving it. Look at this Santa. He's so cute. I should have done that before I glued the pocket down, but we could have him off to the side. Further up top. We could put them on the back. They look cute on the back. Let's save that back there. Some nice candles. I like it. Let's do that. put a little tab topper up there. Like I said, this is the day of do it. Go for it. There we go. We got letter to Santa. Put our little skinny tag inside our tag. Then we'll have our picture of Santa on the back. Oh yeah. Isn't that so cute? I just love it. Ooh, maybe we'll do a little label right there. What a nice label. That's cute. I'm just going to run that over my glue stick. Sweet. That was so quick. 3 tags in however long this has been. I don't have a clock going. You can see how easy it is to just layer and keep adding and just make something really cute. Even like this tag, I would probably leave this tag as it is because it is adorable. Maybe stamp a little on the back, but I would put that right in the journal. But if there's a tag that, you know, you feel needs a little more zhuzhing or it's made to be zhuzhed up, go for it. Stamping, fabric, labels, always a good idea. So I'm glad you could join me today, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to be using a lot more of this stuff and making a bunch more tags. So hopefully in the next video I'll show you all the tags I've made. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Bye.